Hi. The fact that you have read the title of this video and have come in to see or watch this video and find out what I'm gonna tell you indicates that the law of attraction has not worked for you. And it will not work for you. I know what is wrong. You do know what the law of attraction says. You have read perhaps the book, The Secret, all the pages of the book, maybe multiple times as they suggest, and you may have tried to practice each and everything literally. There was once this man who came and told me, I tried to use the law of attraction for attracting wealth, and well, I kept saying I am a millionaire. I am a millionaire in the present tense, not I was a millionaire in the past or I will be a millionaire in the future. He said I am a millionaire. He said it for days, he said it for weeks, he said it for months, but he said nothing happened, and he was happy to have managed to save whatever he already had. I'm sure this would be the case for you also, else you wouldn't be watching this video. Let me tell you a story, a very personal story of mine. By the way, I'm a filmmaker. I'm a documentary filmmaker, and I travel a lot for documentaries. Lot means lot, almost 15 to 20 days a month I'm traveling. I make documentaries on various aspects. I have a requirement wherein wherever I travel, I need to take my crew. My immediate core crew consists of between 5 to 7 people, and I have to take them along with me, along with equipment. So it is not possible for me to go travel by train or anything. So I have a small car which can't accommodate all this. So what I started doing is I used to hire a vehicle, this 8-seater, 9-seater vehicle, no problems at all. But over a period of time, when the competition set in, I started analyzing my income, and I discovered that there is a huge amount of money that is going out for transportation. So what I wanted is I wanted to buy a larger vehicle. Something like this SUVs. Yes, I set my eyes on one particular vehicle or one particular manufacturer, but I was never able to buy it. I was always short of a little money. And being a filmmaker, you know, these bankers don't give you the luxury of a loan or a vehicle loan or something like that. At times, there were times when the money used to come in, but there was some other expense which needed more priority, and I had to spend it, and again, no money for the vehicle. So what I did one day is I was so vexed out. Now this, I'm telling you, this was around 15 years back, when I never knew of the existence of this law of attraction. Okay, so what I did is I went into the manufacturer's website and I picked up the vehicle that I want, rather an image of the vehicle. I downloaded it onto my laptop and set it as a desktop wallpaper. What happened is every day morning when I switch on my laptop, it is this dream vehicle of mine which comes up on the screen, and I used to spend maybe 2-3 minutes and ask any software that I click on as it is booting. I used to imagine myself driving the vehicle at 140, 150 kilometers per hour on these fantastic highways. My cinematographer sitting next to me, the crew behind me with all the luggage behind. I used to feel it. I used to actually dream about it. It was so intense. And whenever, say, I'm writing a few mails, and whenever the mails are done and I close the Outlook Express, again there it is on my laptop. So several times a day I used to see this, and this feel in me started getting more and more intense. Let me tell you, this was without my knowledge. And you know what happened? One fine day, one existing client of mine called me and said, come. I want to talk to you. Okay, I went there. So he gave me a list of so many documentaries to be done in one go. Wow, that's a huge task. Yeah, are you willing to do it? Yeah, of course, but I need to be out of town for 2 months at least. Yeah, but go ahead. Okay, but I need funding. Oh, yes, how much do you want? So I told him, I roughly calculated something and told him a figure. And you know what? He just handed over instantly 75%, approximately 75% of the money, and which came to a huge amount, let me tell you. I just went into the showroom, picked up my vehicle, delivered in 2 days, and there I go. I started work in my own dream vehicle. It was much later that around 5 years back, I came across this, what is called the law of attraction. And I read through it. What is this? Oh my God, this is exactly what has happened to me. So, as I read the law of attraction book, the secret book to start with, I knew that it will work. And there was a lot of sense in what was being said. Now then, why doesn't it work for you? See, it is said that there are approximately 65 to 70,000 thoughts that pass through your brain every day. How many of them do you remember? Maybe 5, maybe 10, nothing more. Because those thoughts were introduced by you into your brain. Other than that, there are so many thousand thoughts that are going through your brain. And you are not aware of it. You're not conscious of it. But I'll tell you, you're walking on the street and I'm wearing a red t-shirt. Oh, there's that man going. You see this red t-shirt. You are not thinking of the color red, but the moment you see this red t-shirt, there are so many things that your mind automatically processes. And what would they be? They could be the red traffic lights, or your wife or your mother draping herself in a beautiful red sari, or your red pen in your pocket. There are so many things that your brain correlates with the color red. Now these are all individual thoughts, and you have not told the brain to think about it. So this is your subconscious mind coming into action, sending signals to the brain, asking it to process this information. And why does it do so? Because it keeps it processed so that just in case you need it at any point in time, when you see this color red, it is available for you for instant use, for reflexes. So, and where does the subconscious get all this information from? It is from your experience. It could be from your childhood, it could be because of your upbringing, it could be whatever your dad, mom, wife, sister, siblings, friends spoke to you. It could be what you saw on the TV, it could be what you read in the newspaper, so many things. So all this is assimilated by your subconscious mind, and it keeps it ready for you at any point in time. And these thoughts just keep coming and going. Now, if you had these good thoughts of money in your subconscious mind, take it from me, the law of attraction will work for you. Now, how do you do that? You have a lot of experience in your life. You may be in your 40s, you may be in your 30s, you may be even in your 60s, and you just want to try out, yes, I want to use this for wealth. But how are you going to erase this information from your subconscious mind and give it a new sequence of thoughts? How are you going to attract? How are you going to make your subconscious mind and your mind, the conscious mind, process the thought and information of money? I will tell you this in my next video. To make sure that you don't miss it out, please hit subscribe below so that whenever I launch the video, YouTube ensures that it sends you an email and you be the first to see my video. And please, please, please put in your comments down below so that I am motivated to give you and share more and more information. As a start, let me give you an exercise. If you really want this law of attraction to work for you for wealth generation, you want to be rich, you want to be a millionaire, if you want to be a billionaire, type down in the comment section below, I am a millionaire. I am in capitals, a millionaire. Please type it down below and join me in the next video. Thank you.